How to freeze your Snap Map location. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then go to the maps right here found on the lower left corner of the screen. And then once you're there, simply click on the settings found on the upper right corner of the screen and make sure to click on ghost mode right here. So you may choose either you will be on ghost mode for 3 hours, 24 hours, and until turned off. For example, I will choose this one. What this will do is that when enabled, your friend can see your last active location. So basically, it freezes your location on your Snap. So again, make sure to turn on ghost mode and the toggle button should turn into green and not gray. So that's it. That's how you can freeze your Snap Map location.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.